I'm about to show you how you can buy items on R.E.P.O in just a few steps, so if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So after you have completed the level and you talk to the boss to go to the shop, you will be right here at the shop and you should find the items right here. In my case, I have them on the floor, but you basically need to drag the item you want to buy. You need to drag it to this place right here, and you will see at the top, you will see your current balance and the total cost of all the products you have included in your cart. So just like this, as you can see, this is worth 6k and I will have 3000 remaining. So if I want to buy that, you just need to press this button, and after a few seconds the items will disappear from here, and once you go to your next level, they will appear right here, so you can press E to consume them. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.